Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now we've got the Spice Girls, we're missing Posh, but, I mean, that obviously could be a red herring. It's very suspicious that they're all in a symmetric pattern, so I kind of want to look around a little bit first to see if I can find any other groups, because if that isn't a group, then I suspect there'll be one of the Spice Girls in each of the other groups. So let's see how we get on. That is tuba backwards. That is a very strange word if it's not connected to a tuba. I can't see anything else that's either an anagram of an instrument or is just an instrument backwards. I mean, belled looks really suspicious. Obviously, it starts with the word bell, but it's not an instrument backwards, and it's not an anagram of an instrument. What about Roy? Roy of the Rovers, Rob Roy. What else can Roy be? It's the second half of Troy. I'm not sure there's any others that are ancient civilizations or cities. And why has that got an S on the end? Flounder is obviously a fish. Flounders is very suspicious. Makes me think it's an anagram of something, but I can't quite see what it is going to be, which is very annoying. It's not quite something like wonderful, but it is pretty close to wonderful. Sonderful. Oh, I don't know. Okay, what else can we do? Baby powder. I mean, they're next to each other, aren't they? So, given that they're separate words in the grid, that's not going to be one of the connections. Ice. Ice is like white or grey, but it's also kind of fast and sleek, maybe? Are these... Well, I'm not sure about ice now, actually, but sporty, fast and sleek are ways of describing a car. I suppose compact is a way of describing a car. I'm not completely convinced by this, but I think it is worth a shot. They are adjectives for a sports car, and I was right about sporty being in that group. Okay, so that means it's clearly not all about the Spice Girls. That was just a red herring. That probably does mean we are going to have one in each group, as I said. So, ginger. I mean, ginger spice? Are there other things that are spices? It means we're going to have to work out what on earth Belled, a Butt, and Roy are all about. And flounders. What about scary? Scary movie? Scary clowns? Scary clowns, jolly clowns? This is not an easy one today. I'm really confused by several of these words. Why does flounders have an S on the end? It's one letter away from founders. It's got the word under in it, but that would be the case even if it didn't have the S on the end. Huh. I mean, it doesn't really look like anything's gonna be an anagram. So that's really confusing because it means a butt is much more likely to be a butt rather than the fact that it's tuba backwards. What about belled? Oh, it's bell as in Belle is the princess in Beauty and the Beast or something like that, isn't she? And then Flounder is an animated fish. What else have we got? Scar is an animated lion, and then Abu is an animated character in The Simpsons. That's probably what the group is. Disney animated characters plus a letter. Oh no, that's Apu in The Simpsons. Abu is a different character, obviously. I can't think who at this moment. Anyway. Right. That was tricky. But at least we've worked out why a butt, belled, and flounders were all in the grid. Okay. What about the last two groups? Something to do with baby and something to do with ginger. Ice, baby. Nice, spice, ice. Ha. Oh, Jolly Roger. Mr. Rogers, Roy Rogers, and Ginger Rogers. I think that is a group. Word before Roger or Rogers. I mean, it's weird that some of them are singular and some of them are plural. But anyway, we've got the group. And then what are these for? Powder Ice, Baby, and Sky. Oh, they're all just blue, probably? Shades of blue. That last one was the yellow group. Allegedly, it's the easiest group. Definitely didn't have the easiest time with that, but somehow we didn't make any mistakes. So, very tricky today. 7-minute video. Thank you if you stuck with me to the end. Let me know how you got on. Let me know if you solved this far faster than I did. But I didn't make any mistakes, so it is a perfect connections game. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.